The Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of Madhapura Mercantile Co-op Bank. Bloomberg UTV had reported about this earlier this week. In 2001, the 2,200 crore rupee MMCB scam had shaken the cooperative banking sector after it was revealed that stockbroker Ketan Parekh had borrowed 1,200 crores from the bank to invest in markets. To give us a few more details, Bloomberg UTV's Himanshu Bayani has this report from Gujarat. Himanshu, why has the license been cancelled by the RBI?
Yes, the orders issued by Reserve Bank of India terming cancellation of the carrying out business of banking across India for Madhapura Mercantile Cooperative Bank is largely in view of the financial scam which occurred in year 2001. The financial scam of rupees 2,200 crore at that time had rocked the cooperative sector of the nation and the state. And the interesting details is that rupees 1,200 crores was borrowed by stock market broker Ketan Parekh. He had invested his money into the stock market, and following the stock market crash, he has not been able to pay the money. Two grounds, mainly on which this license, banking license of Madhapura Cooperative Bank has been cancelled is that, one is that Ketan Parekh has been able to pay till now rupees 400 crores and balance recovery of rupees 800 crores, for which the projection given by the existing body controlling the Madhapura Mercantile Cooperative Bank seems to be highly unrealistic as per the RBI orders. So that's one of the grounds on which this banking license has been cancelled. Second reason is that there has been an NRI person who has envisaged a plan for revival of this bank, pumping in rupees 5,000 crores over 10 years. But as RBI is not clear, does not have a clear idea as to what is the source of the fund and what is the background of this particular NRI person, these are the two reasons on which this banking license has been completely terminated, it has been cancelled. Now the biggest question over here is that even if a liquidator has been appointed by the central government, how would the recovery of rupees 800 crores from stock market broker Ketan Parekh take place? Secondly, what is learned, of course the banking of the officials of Madhapura Mercantile Cooperative Bank are tight-lipped, but what is learned from our sources is that rupees 100 crores towards deposits of at least 13,000 depositors that needs to be recovered. Now, this particular issue of Madhapura Mercantile Cooperative Bank has almost become a den of mud wrestling for the politicos, because today Congress has alleged the Bharatiya Janata Party in power into the state for this entire scam. And as the 2012 Gujarat polls are on verge, it seems to be this will be more politicized, this issue will be more politicized because this involves the money of the masses.
Right, Himanshu, many thanks for joining us from Ahmedabad with that story on Madhapura Mercantile Cooperative Bank.